In this video, let's look at how to install apps in Google Chrome. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open your apps launcher. So I'm going to go to the top left corner and I'm going to open the apps launcher. When that launches, I will click on Web Store. Now in this video, we're talking about apps. Apps appear when you click on this apps launcher. This is where you find all of your apps. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Client Store. And now it is good to know that Google Chrome is phasing out most of their apps, but this one right here I happen to know is an app, and it's called Typing Club. And there are a few other ones that are probably available on here that are apps. So I'm going to click on Typing Club since I know it is an app. And then I'm going to click on Add to Chrome. And then as you can see, it will say Add App. When it does that, you will see the app has appeared right here. Now you can reorder your apps by clicking that. You can also, if you'll see on the right hand side here, as I have several apps already installed, you can toggle through them. You can drag these and put them on other pages as well. So you can rearrange them on the page, and you can also drag them and put them on different pages. If you don't like it being all the way at the end, you just click and hold and drag, and you can move it where you would like it. And that's how you install apps.